Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lori from lorigarin.com, and I just wanted to take a minute and introduce myself if you're new here and don't know who I am. I am a 47-year-old mom to four mostly grown children. I'm a wife to one high school principal. I'm a holistic wellness coach, and I'm the founder of the blog lorigarin.com. I have had chronic Lyme disease for several years now and am not 100% well, but I'm doing a lot better than I was several years ago when I had to quit my job as a teacher. The reason that I'm making this video today is I wanted to share with you my weight loss journey that I'm going through right now. I started it last Monday and today is Monday, so it's been a week. So far I have lost a little over 3.5 pounds, and I just kind of wanted to share with you in this video why I'm doing this, why I'm going on this weight loss journey, and sort of what my goals are and how I'm going about the weight loss. If you see me looking down during the video, it's because I have some notes. So hopefully that's not too distracting, but just so you know, that's what I'm doing. My weight loss goals, I am looking to lose 15 pounds. A few years back, I had lost 35 pounds doing intermittent fasting. This was when I was really sick with Lyme disease. My doctor actually recommended intermittent fasting to me, and I'd heard of it, and I had tried fasting in the past for spiritual purposes a short time when I was in college, and that was basically my only experience with fasting. Excuse me, I'm gonna have to get a drink of coffee. So when she told me about intermittent fasting, that was kind of new to me, and that has been a huge journey. Long story short, I will probably end up making another video about my intermittent fasting, but it has been a life-changing experience for me, and in so many ways, because it has so many health benefits that you may already be aware of. It has helped me with so many of the symptoms of Lyme disease that I've been dealing with for so many years. Body pain, brain fog, just fatigue, all of these things that I was dealing with for so long are so improved because of the not because of the Lyme disease, but because of the intermittent fasting. So not only that, but along the intermittent fasting journey, I lost 35 pounds. So that was just a great benefit for me. A lot of people ask me, what intermittent fasting schedule do I use? And I actually use a variety of intermittent fasting timing schedules. So I do the 16-8 and the 18-6 and the 24 and the 24, the OMAD, and I've done 36-hour fasts very occasionally. I really like to mix it up because I like to keep my hormones happy. I like to keep my body just guessing and not do the same thing all the time, because I think that's better for our bodies, from what I've read and from what I've learned from talking to other experts and from learning from other people. who've been doing this longer than I have. So that's how I do it. Plus, I get kind of bored easily, and it really helps me. So that's kind of my approach to fasting condensed. So what I'm eating right now, last week I was eating more of a keto diet to kick it off because my body has responded really well to low carb keto eating in the past. It's really reduced the inflammation in my body, and that in turn has calmed the pain in my body that I was feeling from the Lyme disease. And keto was something that my Lyme doctor had recommended to me years ago. So that was something that I was doing for a long time also. But keto isn't something that I do regularly now, just because it's kind of become a little too restrictive for me. So overall, I like to focus on eating real food, and I'm going to be focusing mainly on just eating real healthy food and cutting out the processed stuff. Just getting away from the chemicals and the processed foods, the processed packaged foods, and focusing on eating healthy fats, coconut oil, nuts and seeds, and grass-fed beef, meats, fish, dairy, and of course, lots of leafy green vegetables, plenty of vegetables, a little bit of fruits, lots of berries, and that's basically what I'm going to be eating. I'm also trying to move my body every day, and most of what I've been doing lately has amounted to going on long walks outside and being in nature. I love just walking around my neighborhood. I'm grateful to kind of have a place that I can walk and be outside. Or we have a trail in our town at the park, and so I enjoy going there and walking. I also like to do gentle stretches, yoga, Pilates, and if you follow the blog, you know that I'm always sharing the free YouTube videos, the workout videos. I think those are really fun. The Leslie Sansone walking videos. I really like those too, and those are great for getting your heart rate up. So if you haven't watched those, you might check them out. I love all of the fitness apps. I do a lot of those free fitness apps, and I just like to keep it fresh and try new things all the time. I don't ever want to get bored with my fitness routine. I like to keep it exciting and fun. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to share with you today. But I did want to ask you if you're trying to lose weight during this quarantine, during this kind of tough time in our country of the COVID-19. I would love to know kind of what you're going through, or any questions that you might have. You can comment below in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.